Hey folks, your trading fees get refunded daily here. As you can see, it's a daily refund. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for a BingX account and get 50% cash back on sport and future trading fees. For instance, if you pay $100 in fees, you'll get $50 back. I'll put the Bing sign up link in the description and comments. Also, if you're interested, I can introduce you to FE refund systems for other exchanges too. Let's check out other options here. We have X, XNet, XM, BZ, Get Full Coin, Binance, MESC, and Bybit. Okay, whichever platform you prefer, go ahead and click on it. I'll demonstrate using BingX. You can read the instructions here. Okay, now click Get Cut B Now to automatically apply the referral code. Great, the system has applied the code and shows a 40% fee rebate. Now enter your email or phone number. I've entered my email. Next, create a password. For example, I'll use hello. Click register. Now open your email and enter the verification code. I've received mine. Copy the code, go back to BingX, paste it here, and save to complete registration. Alright, you've successfully registered for BingX and will get a 40% fee refund. It'll be processed overnight and paid tomorrow morning. Now let's verify your account. Click Verify and then select your country and ID type. Fill in all the required info. You can also download the BingX app from the App Store or Google Play. Log in and verify there if you prefer. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.